The fish is familiar with the water. I see. My mother taught me how to make it before she died.
That's good. Child that follows her mother's footsteps will not encounter obstacles. I know you will make a great stylist someday.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome. But I see a lot of obstacles before you. You know you're a very beautiful girl. And beauty comes along with a lot of challenges.
Your Majesty, I'm just a poor orphan that needs assistance. I rebuke anything that is going to be an obstacle in my life.
Your path never changes, but you can't change your fate. Instead, you should be determined to face your challenges that comes along with it.
Thank you, Your Majesty. It's only God that protects the dove and its egg. And He is going to protect me.
Of course, He will protect you. He that creates the fish creates waters for their survival. You will not lack anything in this palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty. But there is something that bothers me.
What is it?
My mother once told me that when a child that is not of age ties a wrapper and the wind blows, it blows both the child and wrapper away. I'm not comfortable being the chief maid in this palace, knowing fully well that I'm the last person that came here.
Don't let that bother you. When the sun shines, it shines for all to see. It's His Majesty's decision, and no one there questions him. Besides, your colleagues are not complaining.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Yes, ma. Did I sweep your room first?
No, don't do that. I'll do that myself. Just help yourself.
I said from there, not here, there. Those are the
Well done, young. And hard working, but they are hard working. Yeah. And they are not.
Sure, they are. You're welcome.
Thank you. Hope you slept well.
Sure, I did.
You know His Majesty told us to take proper care of you.
You know, nothing frightens the cub when the mother is around.
And His Majesty demands your presence right now.
Well, why me?
It is you. You're going with me to the palace now.
Please, I beg you. It can't be me.
You're wasting my time. Let's go.
One who kills Elisa does so out of interest. And Elisa does not treat people. Please, please. Let me talk to Her Majesty before going to the palace.
You have been labeling the king. There you go again, as a child. Because you do not know the strength of the lion. That is why you call the lion a dog. It is the king that demands your presence and not the queen. Let's go. Stand! That way! Go!
Did you see that?
What?
Am I not beautiful? Am I not?
Nobody's saying that you're not beautiful. No, you are beautiful. Imarama.
I want you to tell me the truth. I want to know if I am not beautiful. Or there's any woman nature I do not possess. Ijoma, please. Tell me, there's anything in a woman which I possess. You are the best in the world. You should not cry. You're physically endowed with everything that makes a woman. Huh? Then why is Majesty not giving me attention? Ha! Charity. You must wake up from this. It's obvious that our presence is not recognized in this palace. Just look at the woman that came the other day. His Majesty requested for us our presence. Are you serious? Why I'm here? Why not me? Why not me, Charity? Her Majesty made her leader over us. Why not me? If that is not enough, His Majesty sent gifts, packages to our true Siri. As I'm talking to you right now, that witch, that ugly monster, she's at the king quarter. Yes! Or do you think I don't deserve royal treatment? Eh?
If Frank does not talk, to avoid what I'm entering it not. You should not complain. After all, we are being paid for our services here.
Informer is also paid. I am leaving this palace. I am not created to watch others smile while I can smile. I want to smile so that others can watch me.
One who walks on the boundary does not step on people's cups. I like it as people don't notice me. They give trouble if they pay attention to me. I don't care if Informer is in the palace. I don't care, it's not my business.
Because you don't want it. You are not qualified.
You are here wagging your tongues. Where is Informer? I said, where is Informer? What? The king's mother? That the surface of the water has looked beautiful is not enough reason for one to lie on it. Today I will teach her a lesson she will not forget in a hurry. I will teach her today that the palace is not meant for mates. I will not take it from her. I will skin that girl. Where is she?
As the name implies.
You're welcome.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Very good, very good. Okay, Mwa. I must continue to greet you again and again and again. Because if you okay, Mwa.
Thank you, Chief.
Welcome. Omeka Naya one of Okoli Kingdom. I greet you again and again.
Chief, I even thought of coming to your house. But one thing led to another. I could not make it.
I know you will not be able to make it. Chief Omeka Naya. And I have always told you too that even at my age, I am stronger than you. Do you take it?
I accept.
Very good.
But I want you to remember that plantain soccer does not produce before it's Hey, Chief, just to wait. Let me bring some groundnut for you. It's early.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I have very important discussion with you. Okay, Chief. If I may go. How things have spoiled. So many things going wrong in this kingdom. And I cannot stand, fold my hands, and watch another man take your throne. Eh?
Chief, I have told you before, and I will still tell you now that I am not interested in kingship. It's only a foolish man that digs his grave with a cutlass. His Majesty is my elder brother. Don't expect me to kill him because I want his position. No, I cannot do that. God forbid.
God will not forbid. God will not forbid. God will never forbid. Listen to me. Listen very. You have not actually understood what I am talking about. It is the same God that created the hen, also created the fowl. But I tell you, both of them do not have the same destinies. No, can't you see that your brother is suffering? Can't you see he is suffering? No child. In fact, even if it is a child that looks like a puppy, he should have it. But no. The queen does not want him to bring in another one. This is the reason you have to prepare yourself to take over the throne.
Chief, I know all that.
Good.
But never in this life will I stand against hearing a cry of baby in his household. Simply because I want his position. No. I want his children to inherit the throne. That's all.
Chief, you ready to take that throne? Because if it were me, I would have taken it.
Chief.
That is it.
One thing is certain. He who chases a chick has the fall, while the chick has the throat. You cannot poison my heart against my own blood brother.
Huh? Poison your heart?
That is what you are doing now, Chief.
I'm poisoning your heart. I am poisoning your heart. It's all right. All I know is be ready to accept the throne. That is all. Okay, so now I'm poisoning your heart. You got food poison. You got food poison. You got food poison. You said I poisoned your heart.
What is this? Kabugeni. Is it by force to be a king?
Up to something. How can a tortoise survive the battle that consumed the lion? Just shut up!
taller than his mother. Who is responsible for this bastard in your womb? Speak up before I tear you apart.
I'm not pregnant.
How dare you lie to me? How dare you lie to me? The plantain sucker does not produce before its mother. I will ask you for the very last time. Who is responsible for this good-for-nothing child you're carrying in your womb?
I swear, Your Majesty, I'm not pregnant. I'm saying the truth.
You're lying!
No,
You're lying to me!
I'm saying nothing but the truth, Your Majesty.
You're still lying to me. The ear that refuses to listen must be cut off. I've been noticing your movements in the palace recently. And I will ask you again, who is responsible for this pregnancy?
Your Majesty, I have never been to the palace to ask for permission. I'm not pregnant for Your Majesty.
What is it? What is it? I can no longer sleep with my eyes closed because of both of you. What is happening here?
Well, Your Majesty, it's women's issue. And Your Majesty would not like to know everything about women. And as for you, you have touched the lion still. You shall see.
Your Majesty, it is only a fool that will be chasing a rat when his house is on fire. We cannot continue to keep quiet over the sudden disappearance of our chief priest. He is our power and the mouthpiece of the gods. We cannot just fold our arms and pretend as if everything is okay. I'm afraid who knows what will happen next? Who knows?
Will you shut up your mouth? Nothing will happen.
Shut up your mouth if you don't know what to say.
What is it? Will you just come here to open your mouth and begin to say that?
I mean, when will you learn to know how to use important words in a gathering of elders like this? No, do you think you can just come to the palace like this and then you are talking anyhow? You are talking anyhow! Let us speak to important things. Must you speak because you want to speak? Hey!
Yeah. Owakwe,
What is it?
let me tell you. When the toad in front falls into a pit, others they caution. I have not seen anything wrong in what Ophelia had just
Tell me.
Owakwe, let me tell you. I have not seen anything wrong with what Ophelia just said that will make you to attack him the way you are attacking me. Owakwe, let me also remind you. When the toad in front fall into a pit, others will take caution.
Tell me.
We cannot fold our arms and pretend that all is well with us. Listen, when a child knows what killed his father, he will fight so that that same thing will not kill him.
Shut up your mouth too.
Shut up your mouth.
So that let us discuss important things and not about the chief priest.
Your Majesty.
My fellow elders, when someone sees a looming doom and keeps quiet, that doom will backfire to affect him. Since the disappearance of our
Chief priest, I have not rested 1 second. I'm in support of what Okoli said.
Oh, see.
We should go and consult the ATDP of Egudu so that we can trace our chief priest.
If they say you should go, will you go? So anyway, my fellow elders, let us not break our heads for nothing. The chief priest we are talking about must be somewhere communicating with the gods. And I know very well that as soon as he completes his assignment, definitely he will come back. So why do we have to kill ourselves? Why?
Well,
Even why?
well then, the stick once sees does not break. You don't need any speaks here to tell me all is not well. I am for the idea of going to Ezekiyah of Egudu Kingdom. We shall all go to him to know more about this community and the sudden disappearance of this chief priest.
Igwe! Stop Igwe! Don't say Igwe! Don't subscribe to everything. Your Majesty. Here.
Oh, Wakwe!
Please Igwe at any moment.
It's alright. Well, Uwakwe, you and two shall visit Ezekiyah in the next market while our men search for him in the forest.
Your Majesty, I didn't take myself. Please permit me to go with them since your brother Okenwa is not around.
So, you really want to go with them?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Okay then. There is no difference between the right ear of the horse and the left ear of the same horse. You can follow them.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Igwe!
Sorry. I just remembered that my very good in-laws, prospective in-laws at that, will be coming to pay the bride price of my daughter on that very scheduled day. And it may not be possible to go with them, Your Majesty.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Very well then. Lightning does not prevent storm. Others will be. How about you two? Do you have anywhere you're going on the next month?
Anyway, I'm supposed to go and cut my palm tree. But you see, however, I've changed my mind. I'll go with them.
You better change your mind, girl.
May the gods of this land guide and protect you all.
He said.
The lion does not roar in the forest in vain. What is your problem? What brings you to the abode of the gods at this time?
My people is my problem. My people are planning to come and find out who killed the chief priest. Please, they come to me. Tell them that the chief priest was attacked and killed by animals. I have a token. If it is accomplished, I will come again tomorrow morning.
Yes. onye ji onye ibe ọnụ ọwụrụ isi jebụ ọmụrọgwụ n'ajọ ha maka ochie n'ibe chụ aja dịka onyere mụọ nọ nọ narụ mgbe gbuo ikirigi ọgụ. The gods have accepted your money. Yes. Even the ancestors have alerted me of your coming and their readiness and willingness to help you before your arrival. As we are talking, I can see and I can hear them discussing about you, talking about you. Yes. Saying so many good things on your behalf that you are not the one that murdered the chief priest. Yes. Good. No, listen. I can see animals. I can see a lot of them. I can see elephants. I can see lions. I can see pythons. I can see even tigers, big ones. They all gathered and attacked and killed your children. But never mind. You throw the bone out there. Sit back and watch the battle between the dog and his parents. Yes. Well, put to one easy. You know, land, kill him or go. They teach him them one and kita. So, never mind. Don't worry. I will help you a lot. Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I think I should be taking my leave.
You can go. Just go. Go and don't be afraid of anything. Fear nothing. Your money speaks for you.
Thank you very much. Hey! Oh!
Your Majesty, I have searched everywhere in the palace. I didn't see a man.
What? Where have they all gone to?
I searched their room. There's no maid in the palace.
That can never be possible. Ifoma will not go anywhere.
Your Majesty, that is what I want to see. I am sure that Ifoma is not in the palace. All the maids have gone out. I searched everywhere.
All that is on the road. Tell Her Majesty I want to see her right away.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
What are the maids?
You won't even answer my greetings.
What are the maids asking you? Your proteins have nothing to do with my request.
And since when did the whereabouts of maids become more important to you than my greetings in this palace?
Nothing as important as Ifoma, as far as this palace is concerned. Where is Ifoma? She is the pillar of this community. I demand her presence right now.
I wonder why His Majesty is so worried about the whereabouts of an ordinary maid. One can easily get me.
I don't know if I have to put water in my mouth before you understand the direction I am driving to. Where have Ifoma gone to? I need to see her right now.
I've not set my eyes on her for the past 1 week now. I'm sorry for not reporting to you earlier.
One what?
Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Help! Somebody help! Your Majesty!
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty!
Hey! What happened?
I don't know what happened to him. Your Majesty!
The nodding of a lizard does not mean that all is well with it. I can see you are worried. And I ask, why are you worried when I am here to see you through?
Ezedibe, you are right. I am very much worried. Ezedibe, nothing is hidden under the sun. Well, before I go on, let me unleash my promises to you. Let me strongly and vehemently make this promise. If you do my heart desire for me, I am going to get you a very huge goat. He goat at that. I will get you white coats. I will bring money in addition to it. I promise you strongly. And I mean it. There is fire on the mountain. Fire on the mountain. I want to become the Igwe of this kingdom. And that is why I have come. And if you could do that, another promise, I will make you the chief priest of this kingdom.
Now you are talking like a man. But I tell you this, you have just one challenge.
What is the challenge?
Your friend is the challenge. His name is Okemwa. Get him out of the way and the throne is yours.
Okemwa is a small boy. Small boy. I am going to strangle him to death. Yes, I will. But please, I want you to help me accomplish that. Please, do it. And I will never fail in my obligations. Please.
Now listen. If fire could kill the tortoise that has iron shell, get him out of your way and the throne is yours.
Thank you very much.
Hold on, don't go yet. Don't forget to keep the words with the gods. The promise.
I will. Let me do my will.
Go. Go. The throne is yours. Go. The throne is yours. Go! The throne is yours.
Elders of our land, I greet you all. A stick that one sees does not blind his eyes. So many things have been happening in this kingdom, and they have been bothering me. And that is why I want you to know about it. Bad things, death here and there have been happening. I want you to look at the death going on here and there. And I know very well that Her Royal Majesty knows what is going on. Maybe she has something to say about it.
No, I disagree with you, Uwakwe. Let me remind us. A child that pokes his finger in palm oil will rub himself. Let us stop putting accusing fingers on anyone. Let us allow Her Majesty to have peace.
Elders of my land, I greet you all. I'm standing before you to prove my innocence over the death of His Majesty. I can swear by my ancestors.
No.
If they need
No, you will not swear. You will not swear. An elder cannot be at home and see the goat deliver in theater. You are innocent, you cannot swear. You are innocent.
It's all right. Listen to me. the bush does not sway this way and sway the other way when there is no wind. This woman is not innocent. But if she says she is innocent, let her prove it by taking an oath. Cannot imagine that people will be dying and on the other side, disappearance of so many people on this land.
Wako, please stop dragging this kingdom back. Stop it. We are not here to judge anyone over the death of our king. No, that's not why we're here. We need a new king. Let the sleeping dog lie, please.
I will let the sleeping dog lie. The truth is bitter, but I have to say it. A child should know what killed his father before that same ailment kills him.
Uwakwe, you have spoken very well.
Thank you.
But let me remind you, elders, it is not only the flesh of a cow one sees. Sometimes you see the bone.
Yes.
Let us allow Her Majesty to have peace of mind.
Yes. Yes. We answer to bless you. You cannot kill the yam for maize. Neither will kill maize for yam. They are all edible foods. Uwakwe, calm down for you climb to in this matter. Come straight down. Let Her Majesty live a peaceful life. Is that okay? You are troubling her too much.
I support you, Chuka. I support you. We need a way forward here. We that are alive, we need to live in peace. Her Majesty, you can leave us now.
Thank you, my goodness.
And she should go.
Oh.
Of course.
You asked her to go?
Yes.
Oh. You asked her to leave?
Yes.
I can see that you all have been blindfolded by her atrocities. Listen to me. Her beauty should not becloud your sense of reasoning. Let her take the oath. I have told you all. That is all. If you like, let her leave.
Let the gods of our land rise and swallow anybody that does not want peace to reign in this community.
You say...
Look, my fellow elders, in 4 market days' time, Okenwa will be crowned as the king of Okoli. Naija 2 of Okoli kingdom.
Though he is not here, we shall do that.
Exactly. Let us go. Yeah. Leave me alone. Let's go.
I want
from killing the people who are away.
He has mentioned the poison out of his mouth. Okenwa said, I want to poison his mind. Now comes the real poison. I want Okenwa dead.
Bad man, no get the conscience, yo.
Yes. Okenwa. Oh, Okenwa. Oh, Okenwa. Oh, Okenwa. Okunelele. Sugoya. Meya. Kongu.
Yes. Hey, very good. Very good. Burn him. Burn him. Hey. Hey.
I'm scared. This has not happened in this house before. Why are you sweating profusely like this?
I am weak.
Children,
I am dying.
Calm down.
My body is on fire.
God forbid! You will not die. In my war! Calm down. When an evil plotter beats his drum for the downfall of the innocent, the ghost won't allow it sound. When you came in, nothing happened to you, just calm down.
I cannot survive this.
Hey! God's of our
Take care of our children, okay? Tell them.
Bao! No. Iko, don't die. Hey! Wait. Chimo, wait. Remember they shall crown you the king of Okoli kingdom tomorrow, please. Why do you think you will die today? We're going on in a bad. Iko, wait. Iko, Hey!
Directed you.
No.
It's never one for to die.
Don't die. I want to be the queen of this kingdom. Please stay alive so that my dream will come true. Wait. Let me bring water for you here. Let me bring water. Hey!
People severally, time without number, I told you people that this woman is something else. But all of you paid deaf ears and waved it with levity. Now look at what is going on in this community. How will people hear it that Okenwa, that was supposed to be crowned today, suddenly he died? What about late Ebuka, a man that is well known in this community for his good works? Also, he died. And you people call it ordinary. How ordinary is it? How ordinary is it? Huh? Huh?
I am innocent of this accusation. I do not have a hand in the death of His Majesty Anukenwa. I can go to any length to prove my innocence.
My daughter, that's alright. A man who follows the footsteps of others does not have the footprints. I still maintain that Her Majesty is innocent. Yes, she is innocent. Why don't you allow her to mourn her husband instead of subjecting her to such pains and agony?
Chuka, you are right. Honestly, I don't see why Her Majesty should be treated like an outcast in the community she once headed, simply because the bunch of palm tree cut did not fall to the place where it was cut. I will suggest that we give Okewa a befitting burial like one of our kings of this community. Then take a giant step by crowning Owakwe as our new king, as since he's the head of the elder council. That is my humble suggestion. I don't know. What are you people?
Dog does not lick the wound on its head. Her Majesty has been a good mother in this kingdom. I know. She is not the cause of the calamity that has befallen us.
Let us call a spade a spade. Bikuni. Now, I don't subscribe to that. If you like, call a spade a shovel. All I know is she must take an oath before the gods. And that is only when I will ascend this truth. Owakwe. Owakwe. Look, this is against our doctrine.
Exactly.
Tradition and culture. You don't need to subject Her Majesty to that kind of torture. It is a taboo. Look, we don't need to make things hard for our people. Right? We don't subject our people to hardship. It does not mean because His Majesty died, therefore Her Majesty should be punished. So, it's unheard of. Yes, unheard of. Unheard of. Can you hear that? Can all of you listen to that? Huh? Listen to me. Cannot make the strong weak by weakening the strong. You cannot. She has to take the oath. She has to. And that is only when I will actually ascend this throne. Because I don't want to die like others. Yes. Okay. Yes.
Her Majesty is still a good mother. No matter what happens. Exactly. The chameleon cannot change its movement because the bush is burning.
Oh.
Let us take our body alone and stop disturbing a woman that has just lost her husband.
Because our God will guide you and bless you. Because
Equal, my words remain the same. She must take an oath before the gods. Final. I have spoken.
My elders, I accept to take the oath. Swearing the oath will bring peace back to this kingdom.
Yes, it will. It will. You must surely swear. There is no doubt about that. God will come shine. You must swear.
In fact, I am going to invite Ezedi, who will come and perform his duties here. And not only that, I am going to make Let me keep that to myself.
My daughter, cry no more. Clear conscience, fear no accusation. Cry no more.
Wakwe not like a good thing. It like to kill and destroy. Wakwe Onyiyama sọ̀rọ̀ nsọ. Marakwa amara. Iyonye meteri oburu. Whatever you sow, that you will get. This life, you not get it duplicated. The right to kill people.
My brother.
The right to protest for their eyes.
My brother, I am as confused as anything you can think about. Why are you confused? Our people say that the tree that will make a good drop is spotted out at an early stage. This our Igwe is driving us into the mud. I don't think I can continue to attend the elders meeting with you again.
Something is wrong in this kingdom. Something is wrong. Every night I hear the voice of crying baby and her innocent mother. This means something great is wrong in this kingdom.
I must tell you the truth. I'm afraid of the palace now. A half woman and a half snake was chasing me in my dream last night. And this happened each time I visit the palace.
Hey! Look, I had a similar dream last night. Yes. A man was chasing me with a pistol. He wanted to kill me for collecting 5 tubers of yam from the palace.
What do you suggest we do? A bull does not sway this way or that way without a wind. I am afraid I've decided not to visit the palace again.
Ofile, I would have suggested that we consult the Ezedibia. But Ezedibia have connived with the Igwe to destroy this kingdom. In respect of not going to the palace, it will make the Igwe understand that something is wrong.
You see, the weed will die, but it has to wait till the dry season. I don't want to die a shameful death when my hands are clean.
No, not at all.
I'm telling you, I don't want to attend the meeting again in the palace. That is the truth.
Ofile, I would suggest I will stop collecting gifts from the palace. I think that will be the solution to the problem.
I think you are right. But you see, I had a very bad affair this season. That is just my problem.
Well, anyway, no problem. When we meet again, we shall continue the discussion. Huh? Tell
me why you are killing us. Tell me why you are fighting us. Tell me why.
The Queen of Okoli Kingdom, I bring these items to end your reign in our kingdom. Answer me from wherever you are. Answer me from wherever you are. Answer me. Yes. Accept my sacrifice. Accept my sacrifice. For it is said that when the gods accept one sacrifice, they pay back. Accept these items I brought here as sacrifice for you. Eat! Eat! and sleep in peace. Eat and sleep in peace. For it is said that the leg of a mother hen never kills her chicks. As I bury this on your grave, as long as it lasts on your grave, so shall you rest forever. Rest forever. Rest forever. As the walk goes along one area, you get how much you're on. Rest! Rest! And rest forever.
So, Ezra, how did you go? Have you made a sacrifice?
May your reign be long. I have made all necessary sacrifices, but the birds are still shouting, which is an indication that there is impending danger.
The child that grows big teeth must also grow big legs to cover them. You are still talking about danger. After all the sacrifice I have made, still speaking about danger. Listen to me, you must be joking. Yes.
Talk is of man, to the size of the gods. I am doing my best.
Listen to me. Don't mention that word again. Don't! Your breath is not enough, Ezebibia.
It is not as easy as you think. It is not! Like I said, I have done my best. I've done all the necessary sacrifices. Maybe I have to get across to be a Zem of the kingdom. Maybe he could be of help.
I said, go and do everything possible to avert that situation. Go and do that very fast. Otherwise, I will give your blood the gods.
You must not apportion the blames to me alone. You must not! Her Majesty of the Blessed Memory is contributing in making things difficult for us. And hear this! Hear this! There is a greater force coming to take over this throne.
This throne?
This throne.
It will never happen!
We're not like a good thing. It like to kill and destroy.
When next like this, I will show you. Yes, with pleasure and sincerity of purpose. And once more, welcome you to Okoli community.
Thank you very much.
You see, my name is Philip. My house is just directly opposite the village square. Please, anytime you are in this community, do well to visit me.
I want to show you something today, sir. Anytime I come to this village, I must visit you.
I'm not sure you are from this community.
No, I am not. I'm from Ebudu Kingdom. But my mom is from this community. And I want to tell you that I love your community.
Hey, that is interesting. That is interesting. Allow us to tell you, we all like you. We'd like you to be coming around to talk to us. In fact, we would like you to even go to the palace and talk to our Igbo so that you can become a better person. Once more, you are welcome. As you can see, I will see you.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Save me well to your family.
Bye-bye.
How could it be that my people valued a stranger more than me? They gathered in the village square to cheer up a stranger they know nothing about. None of them cared to honor my invitation. I must kill the stranger. I must strangle him myself. No matter what it will make me to take. The fowl that swallows a needle does not live to boast of it. He cannot tell me and go scot-free. Never, never,
Bad man no get the conscience, yo. He derives joy from killing the people who walk away. Bad man, I jump.
What is it?
Igwe,
What is it? Why are you running?
Igwe, my ears have heard what the ears of a warrior should not have heard. My eyes have seen what a hero forbids. Igwe, a stranger in this land opened his mouth and said that you are not righteous. Igwe, I could not remember all the accusations, but I think you should be dealt with severely.
Thank you very much for the information. You may leave. For you can see that we have very important discussion going on. Thank you.
Is that what you have to say?
The ashes known by a man returns to him.
Igwe, This stranger called you unrighteous. I don't want a stranger in this land. Let me personally deal with him. Igwe.
I said leave this palace. For I invite the wrath of wickers. Live here. Leave my presence!
Bad man, Ajamado. Bad man no get the conscience, yo. He derives joy from killing the people, oh, away. Bad man, Ajamado. Bad man. Matakwa Amaran, after rain, sun must shine.
The only thing that makes me happy. Hey! Hey, Emeka! Emeka, come back home! Emeka, remember your mother. Remember your mother. Remember your poor mother, Emeka. I'm dying. I'm dying, I'm gone. I'm finished. Emeka, I'm getting hot. Anyone. I will die. Why didn't you? Why are you sitting outside? You told me you were hot, and I just your food. Instead of you came and just sit here.
Mama, there is something you're not telling me. Something that has to do with my origin.
You worry so much. Anyway, how was your journey to
It was awesome. It went well. Tell me, Mama. Tell me more about my origin.
Your father is I met him when I was in the palace, though I was crazy.
Then why do you always tell me to be careful each time I visit that kingdom?
I told you to be careful because I'm afraid they will kill you just the same way they killed your father. Those people are wicked. I don't want you to go there.
Mama, I don't want you to worry about me. I'll be fine. No man born of a woman can kill me. I'm surprised that you're even saying this because I am celebrated in Ibu. They love me. Nothing would happen to me.
Yeah, just enjoy me. Go and eat. Go and eat your food now.
Thank you.
Go today at the orphanage. Were you able to see the orphans?
Mom, you wouldn't believe it. But I had a very terrific day. I mean, my day was wonderful. They prayed for me and my mates.
That's good to know. That's my daughter. The Mma of Okoli Kingdom.
Yes, Mommy.
So tell me, what was their prayer point?
You know, Mom, I was confused myself. They prayed for me to become the queen of this land. What is it?
Useless daughter. Let me see you step your feet in that orphanage again. I will skin you alive. So you want to take my position?
No. I didn't mean it that way. I don't even want to become the queen of this land.
Leave me alone. Don't touch me. Let me tell you something. The lizard that stops his father's funeral will eat the corpse alone. Where do I go for you to reign? You can see you are fighting much more than you can chew.
Mother, I didn't mean it that way.
Is it Divya? My people. I called you here for reconciliation. Because I want peace to return to this community. A stranger entered this kingdom. And that stranger has come to destroy and tear us apart. That stranger is a threat to peace in this land. And that is why I have called you all for reconciliation, so that we will put force together and fight this stranger. Because that is the only way we can achieve our aim. I want the worried party
Igwe, with due respect, there is no warring party amongst us.
One.
Okwanyam. Igwe, there is no one holding grudges among us. Listen, Igwe, we have been living in peace in this community.
Exactly.
And we will continue to live in peace. Whether the stranger is here or not, we will continue to live in peace. So shall it be.
Igwe, John is right. No one is fighting anybody here.
Is you?
It's all right.
Anybody here? I mean,
That's all right. I thank you all. I thank you all because I can see that we are of one family and that reconciliation has taken place. But there is one thing. A stranger came into this community, like I said. Who is harboring that stranger? Who?
the
The stranger is in the house of one of us here. Who would that be?
Igwe, he talked about stranger. I have not heard or seen this stranger. Whether a man or a woman, I have not heard or seen that stranger.
Listen. One who urinates in the river should not forget that his family members will drink from it. Whoever is harboring that stranger that has come to destroy must fetch him out. Or I will show you where coconut gets its water.
Igwe, I think I saw the stranger. Yes, I saw the stranger, but he seems like a man from one of our neighboring communities.
All I am saying is bring him out. I am giving you 48 hours to do that. Or you will see the wrath of the gods.
Igwe, no man dies twice. Well, yes. No matter what the eyes say, it does not bring blood at all. I have no hands in the fight against the stranger. If the stranger likes to live here, let him come and live here. Bam, bam.
No.
Eh? Asagiri. Osimba. Hey.
I am the king of this kingdom. And by the powers conferred on me, I have right over all things. No stranger comes to live in this kingdom. Listen to me, John. If I find out that you are the one harboring that stranger, I will tell you that it is easy to urinate, but the fowl does not do it. Be careful.
My daughter has been sick. Let's go and take care of her.
Go and take care of your sick family.
Where are you going to?
Well, I'm going to see a friend. Moreover, must you always know where I go?
You're lying. You started telling lies because you want to take my position, isn't it? Since when did you start going out of the palace without your maids?
Mother, I don't like this. I don't.
Don't like what?
Why must I always go out with my mates? Am I the only princess in this world? Why must the maids announce my presence before I get to where I'm going? Besides, I wish to go out today without them.
Good daughter. Good princess. So you were taking this to the stranger, isn't it? Good. Your father will hear of this.
Mother, please. Mother, let me have the truth. You don't have to do this. Mother, can I just have the food?
What is it, woman?
Mother, let me have the... Ask her.
Ask your daughter. Ask the princess. That is your naughty daughter that you placed in my room. Ask her.
Excuse me.
Father, you just heard her call me good for nothing and you're not going to say anything about it.
Tell me, what do you want me to do for you? What do you want me to do? Why is it that you cannot let me drink water and drop the cup in this palace? What do you want me to do? What is it again this morning?
Is this not this your useless daughter that tormented me in the room for 9 months? She was taking this to the stranger.
What? And you did?
Father, what is wrong with female tactics?
Stupid! How dare you? The stubborn goat is not sold at a nearby village. How dare you question my authority? How dare you? Listen to me, my dear. You are just a princess. Nothing more than that. Order my warriors! Get off you! Do you mind?
Father, you slapped me.
I'll do that again. Guess what, Dikeh?
A fly that decides to perch on a stone must surely go without food. Who are you and what do you want from me? Who are you? It's how one walks that his clothes gets on. I have come to tell you that no one perches on the tail of a poisonous snake and go scot-free. You must die! Ta, Mafuo! Shut up! Shut up, Okenwa! Shut your mouth up. Listen, the monkey that decides to see the face of a hunter must surely receive bullets in its forehead. Mafuo! Ta! A dream? What sort of dream? What sort of dream? No. No. Myself dead? No! No!
Conscience, you. He derives joy.
Your Majesty, Your Majesty, this stranger must die. He should be killed. He must die. I I smelled the configuration, confusion and danger the moment I stepped into this practice.
He derives joy from killing the people who walk away.
I have eyes.
Bad man
I cannot see.
Ajamado. Bad man. Walk away not like a good thing.
What are the gods?
He like to kill.
That is what's troubling the man.
Walk away.
The spirit of the late Okoli appeared before me on my way to this palace. And he said that this stranger is the king. He went further to say that this stranger is the son of his late majesty.
You like to kill the people.
No!
You like to put test for their eyes.
That is not true.
Nobody.
Not true! This is why I often call you a blind priest. When death is too much in water, even the blind will notice it. Everyone knows in this community
He derives joy from killing the people who are away.
Never had a child before he died.
Ajamado. Bad man.
Why
Conscience,
would a child
from killing the people
from nowhere come into the community to claim that
derives joy from killing the people who are away?
Majesty? Why?
Bad man.
There is a scientific proof
Ajamado.
that you are
Bad man.
a fortune teller.
Bad man no getting conscience.
That is
He
what
derives
you are.
joy from killing the people who are away.
Listen to me.
Bad man.
Listen.
Ajamado.
Go
Bad man.
give him
Oh, I not like a good thing.
spiritual food.
He like to kill
I want to see him
and destroy.
sunset.
Truth is bitter. Malice are sweeter. I'm sorry about it, Your Majesty, but this is the message. I heard you. Consider it.
This life, he not get you duplicate though. You like to kill the people. You like to put us for
Yeah, why, Mama? Please come.
What do you want? Talk and be worried.
Why are you acting as if you don't know me? I am the chief priest of this kingdom. So when I stop you to talk to you, you should listen. Even your king listens when I speak.
I have no time to waste with you here. Her Majesty sent me an errand. How can I help you?
Your Majesty sent you on an errand. Fine. Take this food. Please, take it to the guard room. Give it to the guards. Ask them to give it to the stranger.
Ha! How can this food be for a commoner, a prisoner and a stranger? This food is so expensive for a prisoner.
I know that the food is expensive, but take it to them like that. Ask them to give it to the stranger.
Okay.
Thank you. Your Majesty, the worst has happened. The worst has happened. Your Majesty, the worst has happened. The water has decided to settle on the mountain instead of in the pit. The guards ate the food meant for the stranger. I met the corpses of the guards when I is a big blow on us. Very big blow!
What are you talking about? That you could not kill this stranger? You could not kill? And you keep on coming to collect huge amount of money all the time for sacrifices. Energy? And you do not want to know anything. How could you do that? You allow the stranger to go just like that? Go immediately and get the stranger alive. The stranger. Don't kill him. Don't touch him. Bring him alive to this place. I must bury him alive in this community. Go!
I keep telling you, to talk is for man, to decide is for the gods. You dare not dictate for the gods. I am doing my best. It is not as easy as you think.
I keep on telling you that your best is not enough. Go and do your best. Go! Go and get the stranger. Get him!
That is not true. I mean, my father cannot kill you. He loves you. My people love you. He wants you around.
Princess, please. I have to go. When a snake bites a child, he becomes scared of everything that crawls. Please understand. I have to go.
Please let me go. I enjoyed the last time we spent together. Even my people testified of your greatness. They want you to remain in this village. They said the health tips you gave to them worked.
Princess, please. I have to go. Look, my mother hasn't seen me for some days now. She must be worried. Please. I have to go.
Okay. Please. I don't want you to. I love you. I want you to remain in this village. Listen, I promise to get an apartment with me and my mother. So you don't leave. Please.
And when your father finds out, he will kill me. Look, my mother is just a poor widow. I cannot stand her losing her only child. Please. Save her.
Whatever you sow, that you will get. This life, you not get it duplicate though. The right to kill the people. The right to put us for their eyes.
Whoever kills a cub should wait for its lioness. I think I am tired of this nonsense. By 6 p.m., if my daughter fails to return to this palace, unless you would know anything about the missing person. We are too old to put our finger in our anus and smell it close. I think this is the handbook of one of our neighboring communities.
No, John. I totally disagree with you. I disagree with you. Leave our neighboring communities out of this. Else you want war. Else you want war, leave them out of this. Look, we should learn to wash our hands clean before we ask others to do so. Leave them out of this.
All I want from you is to go round. Go round all nooks and crannies of this kingdom. Get that girl and this stranger back to this palace. Otherwise, you will know that the fowl that swallowed it, the pig, will not live to be proud of it.
Igwe, you cannot kill any one of us because of your missing daughter.
Last time, will you keep quiet? Sit properly before you address it.
Igwe, listen. You cannot get anybody responsible here because we do not know the whereabouts of your daughter. Yes, we don't know. It is obvious that the stranger escaped with your daughter. And having known this, all we need to do is to be patient. Do our plannings well and capture them. Igwe, this is my humble submission.
You have not submitted anything. That is why I keep on telling you that you know nothing and you do not know that you know nothing. And you do not want to know anything. Go inside of my daughter and bring her here. And that is all I want. You will get out of my presence, all of you.
Igwe, tread with caution. Tread with caution. None of these elders here knows anything about your daughter.
We don't know.
I see love in the eyes. It's alright. We shall see.
Anna.
I see love in the eyes of your daughter. Useless men of this great useless community.
Yes, good.
I can't go for single. Who would have rolled away the tears?
It was a terrible experience. I was locked in a room for 5 days without food. God for saving my life.
But I told you. I told you I won't do. What an elder see while sitting. A child, even when he stands, or climb an iroko tree, will not see it. I'm unfair. I told you when we are going to that village. I warned you about it, but you did not listen to me.
I know you warned me, but I cannot stop going to that village. Some way, somehow, God is going to replace their wickedness with kindness.
I hope there's no problem. Because I'm astonished by your presence here.
Not at all. I wish to extend my royal visit to this community. Mecca is my home. I've come to see and to know you.
Princess, you are welcome. But I feel that your presence is more needed in the palace. Because God is so to those who know its values.
Well, Mama, that is not the case here. I visit the less privileged. I give hope to the hopeless and voice to the voiceless. I have come to say
thank you. Once again. May God bless you. He will give you knowledge, wisdom and understanding to accomplish your ambitions.
Thank you very much. Let me have it. Well, Mama, this is a little thing for you.
Hey. For me and my son?
Yes.
Thank you very much, Mama. If any not for me. Hey! Listen, God will bless you. God will bless you very much. Hey!
Well, Mama, thank
this
you
for
very
me?
much for the prayers. Thank you very much for the prayers. And, Mama, one more. I want you and Nika to move to my village. I promise to get you an apartment very close to the palace.
Hey! Did you hear that? Hey! Hey! Thank you. Oh, our Lord bless you. The God of this land will bless you. He will grant you all you need to accomplish your aim on this land. Hey!
Thank you.
Princess. Thank you very much. I am most grateful.
It's okay. And you will. Well, Mama, I have to leave now.
Go see so. I sit a little now. So, who can...
No, Mama, I have to. My parents will be
no problem. See how. Hey! Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you very much. Hey!
I hope to see you soon. Okay, Mama. Bye.
My heart breaks. I beg you, if you can hear me, please just... Please, I just want to see you, please. Emeka! Emeka, can you hear me? If you can hear me, please just come out. Please, I beg you. Please. Emeka!
help me find him.
does it have to be a dream? I just need to see you again. Just need to see you. See you. Please, just come back to me. Please come back to me. Please come back. I beg you, please. Please. To arrest me? Have you forgotten that I am the princess of this land?
We were instructed by His Majesty to bring you back to the palace anywhere we find you.
I'm sorry, my princess. You have to come to the palace with us.
To bring me back to the palace? Am I a kid or his sheep? Well, go tell your king that I have no business with him.
We are working under the instruction of His Majesty. Don't expect us to disobey him. Shall we?
And leave her alone.
Bad man no get the conscience.
How dare you, Father? How dare you order your warriors to insult me? Father, you gave me the worst insults today because your people call me the princess, which I know I am not. Take this. This is your royal attire. I am no longer the princess. I cease to be called the princess of this land.
So where are you going to? Come back here.
And do what? Father, I am tired. I am fed up with your royal symbols. I am tired of princess this today, princess that tomorrow.
It like to kill and destroy.
Come here! Come! Take her out and run her out!
Do not lay your filthy hands on me.
I said take her out and you're looking at me? Take her out! For a woman who has no child, does not breastfeed. Take her out and lock her in the bedroom, quick!
I said...
Take it easy.
Just let me go!
Hey!
My beautiful daughter. The only daughter that knows the heart of her mother. You know everything.
I do not know, Mother. And I hope you're not here to discuss issues concerning this village. Mother, I have made it clear that I am no longer the princess of this land.
Nonsense. Don't talk like that. There are not two princesses in this kingdom. You are the one and the only princess your people have. And they are suffering because you have refused to play your part.
Mother, stop this.
I will be grateful if you can deliver them.
Mother, listen. I hate it when people fail to understand me. I have made it clear that I am no longer the princess of this land. Is that not enough? How else do you expect me to express myself? Mother, the people of this community are suffering because your husband is still on that throne. And the earlier he vacates the throne, the better for everybody. And if you do not know this, Mother, you are not a queen. Your husband is not a king. The people of this community cannot accuse me of being the problem because I am no longer their princess. Tell your husband to vacate the throne for the rightful owner to occupy it.
Useless king. The ear that refuses to hear will be cut off. Useless girl.
Igwe. Igwe, we're suffering. We're suffering, Igwe, and it is obvious you know this. You know that we are suffering. Igwe, just yesterday, Chuka's wife and his only son were devoured by the crocodile. That is why he's not here with us. That is why he is not here with us. Igwe, I wonder the kind of princess we have. For it is better that one does not have a pocket than he has a leaky pocket. By now you would have seen the princess. You would have seen her to come and perform what she should do to save us. But let me put one thing across here. Let me make it clear. Igwe, if anything should happen to any member of my family, any member of my family, Igwe, this palace will not accommodate you and I. Clear.
Patience. Just be patient. Because a patient dog is the biggest flesh on bones.
That's all. That's all you have to say.
No one hides the illness on the nose. I am surprised to see that your eyes are open, yet you see nothing. This man you call your king is the cause of all the calamities in this community. Hey! This man sitting down here and Ezedibia are behind all the killings.
Hey! Hey!
My father, the so-called king, killed Okemwa.
Hey!
He also killed the war leader after asking him to kill the stranger and his fellow.
So, what happened again?
You do not know. Well, I ceased to be the princess because I know my father shouldn't be sitting on the throne. I cannot take what does not rightfully belong to me.
God, take her out.
Take her out and lock her up and never allow her to come at the gate.
I think the girl has gone mad again. Yes.
I have not gone mad. Tell them the truth, father. Tell them.
Hey!
Hey!
I'll take her out.
Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Hey!
I'll.
Hey!
What do you have to say? You are a madman.
Leave me. Leave me. I said, leave me. Leave me.
You are crying. What is it? Why are you crying now? Stop crying. Eh? Stop crying. Yeah.
Please. Please. Is it possible for you to just leave me? I want to be left alone. Please.
Oh, let me tell you. It's not the fault of the soil to grow widow. Eh? Just relax. Whatever goes on must surely come down. If you're not going, just relax.
What are you talking about? Why am I getting all this attack from the palace? What have I done? You sit here and you act like you don't know nothing? What have I done? Why am I getting all this attack from the palace? Am I the prince? Do I walk in the palace? Why does the king want me there? Answer me!
My son, what buys a man is different from what itches him. Eh? Don't bother yourself, because I have told you, these people, find the wicked, they are very, very wicked. Eh? I've told you before now that these people, I forged your fanjo. They are wicked.
You know what I am talking about. When I look at you, I feel there is something you're not telling me. What connections do I have with the palace? I said, what connection do I have with the palace?
Mama? Emeka?
telling me? Of this house. Where are they? There's nobody in the house and the house is empty.
They're no longer there, ma'am.
You mean travel? You're coming back? What do you mean? I guess you know where you need to.
I hope there's no problem, ma'am.
Emeka. Emeka, where are you? I want to see you again in my arms. You're my king. You're my prince. I want to see you again. I need you. Everything in my life wants you, Emeka. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me.
A healthy teeth can never be found in a rotten mouth. We cannot continue to sleep with one eye closed like a man surrounded by his enemies. Simply because we have failed to observe our festival, our culture, our tradition. We can no longer go to the farm because crocodile has taken over. Ikunu, I beg you, call your daughter, let her come and dance before Biko, I beg you. Igwe, we have suffered enough. Igwe, this situation is an evil wind that has no man in this community any good. Igwe, we cannot allow the horse to eat up our crops in the farm because the horse is white. Wherever the princess is, let her come out and dance in the Ubu River, that I may harvest my yam. Because Igwe, as I talk here now, the crocodile is blocking the way to my farm. And if any man dares go into my farm, the crocodile will devour him. Bikonu, Igwe, please help us. Hey.
There may not be much difference between the water gotten from the ocean, the river, and the stream. But certainly, their deaths are different.
I understand the plight
Tell me why you are killing us. Tell me why you are fighting us. Tell me why. Tell me why.
But
Tell me why
you see, my daughter has rejected her princesshood, and she has absconded for some time now. I have not set my eyes on her, and all of you are aware of it. Please, I want you to bear with me. Have vision. Her mother, the queen, has tried her possible best to see that she brings her back to continue.
You are happy for the life you are taking.
But all to no avail.
But be sure the wicked cannot go unpunished. You set the village on fire.
It is difficult.
Take away their sleep.
I know. It is difficult because she is the only one that can do the dance in Obu River. Quite unlike her counterpart, the family of late Majesty Ebuka, whose wife played the role of not giving birth to any child. It is extremely difficult because I have a daughter that can do it. But it is forbidden for anyone else to do it. I would have suggested that we crown another young girl.
Tell me why. Tell me why.
Anyway, no one considers the size of a snake before setting up a fire. We cannot continue to face the wrath of the gods. The way written by dead people are changed by those living. We must change this. I have a daughter who is willing to become a princess, and she's ready to do necessary. Do what is required of her.
That is a good idea. But yesterday we have to consult our ancestors to know if the dance of your daughter is good enough to be accepted.
An old woman is never old. To dance the music, she dances best. Igwe, anywhere your daughter may be, get her to perform the rites so this community can move forward. The gorilla and the monkey claim to be one, but they are never one. The monkey is monkey and gorilla is gorilla. There must be difference between the princess and your daughter. So Igwe, please help us get your daughter.
We are all together. All I need is for us all to find a lasting solution to the problem at hand. I want Ezedidia to consult our ancestors before we commence the action.
I am in total support of Onyezi bringing a daughter. I want us to have it at the back of our mind. No matter what we do, the deity that accepts blood sacrifice will never accept a boy as a substitute. Agriculture. Onyezi, bring your daughter. Let her come and do the right thing, so that our people will not continue to suffer.
More human life than the physical eyes can see. There are much more to life. There are much more to human life than the physical eyes can see. Igwe, I am finished. I am finished. I am dead. I am finished. I am tired of this job. Take your staff. Take your staff.
How can you be dead and finished when you are here working your Sit down and tell me what the problem is.
I am not sitting down. I am going back to my village. I am going back to my village.
No.
That I'm alive now. Yes, I'm alive, but someone who is dead is better than me. Take your staff.
You can't go easily. My stronghold. You are everything to me. You cannot so you cannot. You must stay here and do more sacrifices. So that this community be at peace.
Oh! Now you know! Now you know that I am important to you and your kingdom. Too late for you. I can't stay behind. I am going back to my village. Listen! Let me tell you this. A child beaten by a snake is always afraid of everything that crawls. Do you understand that? Take your son! I'm going back to my village.
Voice from afar.
Yes. Everything is alright. There is no problem.
Doubt all is well with you, Your Majesty.
Listen. Just leave me alone. I need a quiet time for myself, please.
If you say so, Your Majesty.
Emeka, you must go back to the community and deliver your people. You are the king of Ubulu Kingdom. Go with your mother, for I will give it to you.
Is he asking me to save my people? Does it mean the people of Ubulu are my people?
What's that?
The wrestling match between our neighboring village. What is the plan? How far are we planning?
Our young men are weaklings. They are weaklings, they are not ready to... They are not...
No! No, you are dead! You are dead! These people are dead. They are dead. I can still remember that woman vividly. That
I sent my warriors to kill her, and she was killed. Yes. And you, I can still remember. I can remember you. You are the stranger, and you are dead also. That is what you think. Your reign in Okoli Kingdom is over. And that throne which you sit is mine. No. No. No.
I know that you, my fellow elders, will be surprised.
Yeah.
Emeka here and the mother are not dead. They are alive.
Really?
He is the young man we call a stranger. But this stranger you're looking at, Emeka, is the biological son of late King Ebuka.
Yes.
His mother here was a maid in this palace. She was a maid here. And I know that all of you can still remember how we brought her to late King Ebuka and the reason we brought her.
I know her. I recognize her immediately she stepped her foot into the palace.
Yeah. But I was a victim. The late Queen, Her Majesty, used to. And we drove her away when she was pregnant for late King Ebuka. Because according to the late Queen, the son of a maid shall not have a place in this palace. I can still remember vividly how everything happened. I remember.
Celine, I also remember. I remember how we brought this young woman as a maid into the palace with the hidden intention of making her second wife to His Majesty. When Her Majesty could not bear a fruit. You were part of that plan. You were part of that plan. The only thing I did not remember is how she left the palace.
Oh, Philly, that is not all. I remember all that happened, how he left the palace. Because they are all fresh in my memory. I was the brain behind the departure. I was a victim. My hands were tied. I could not help the situation. But all I want you, the elders, to do is to forgive me. Forgive me, I am so sorry. Forgive me because my hands were tied. I was a victim. I am so sorry.
Shut up!
I would want Informer and his son Emeka here. Please, forgive me.
You don't have to go there. You don't have to do that. You did the right thing. You did the right thing.
You don't need to apologize. This is conspiracy. Conspiracy! There is no downpour without the consent of the soil. This throne is my throne. The crown is my crown. Nobody takes my throne and my crown from me. Nobody.
You lie.
Hey! Hey! Please! 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 Don't kill me.
Who is killing me?
Don't kill me! Please don't kill me! Don't! Don't kill me! Let me confess it. 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 Yes. Thank you. I committed so many atrocities on this land. I killed so many. I killed them all. I told lies against so many people here in this community. And I killed. I was the one who killed Okemwan. I killed you. I killed you. As I killed Ebuka. I killed the queen. I killed so many people. I asked the warrior to kill his junior brother, and I killed him so that the secret would be kept. Yes, I did. I did all this. Rebecca. Yes, Rebecca. I did all of this. I almost killed Rebecca too. But see that my power and my evil plans backfired. Ezedibia was struck dead. Yes, I did all this. Please forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. I'm receiving heat. Heat! Come and remove it from my bed. Remove it. Remove it. Remove it. Remove it. Remove it. No! Don't kill him. No. Don't kill him. You deserve not to live. Yes. He deserves not to live. Don't. Do you know what? Don't. So you committed all these atrocities in this great kingdom. Check over the ground. Yeah. Check over the ground. Yeah. Check over the ground. Yeah. Take this. Hey! Oh God. This is a new dawn. Yes. We have witnessed a reign of terror in the past. Lost our kinsmen. Lost our kinswomen. In fact, lost our crops. And now, our ancestors are giving us a dream. As we pray, because of this land and your rain, be a blessing to this kingdom. He said,
Thank you very much for your kind words. We shall celebrate this coronation in due course.
Bad man no get the conscience, yo. He derives joy from killing the people who are way. Bad man, Ajamado. Bad man no get the conscience, yo. He derives joy from killing the people who are way. Bad man, Ajamado. Bad man. Wakwe not like a good thing. They like to kill and